Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G30 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do this is open Settings application, where we choose first option Network and Internet, where we tap on Mobile Network and their data warming and limits, and by the switch we can turn on or turn off our data warming and set data limits in the same style. First option we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month, and there we can set how many gigabytes we want when we get warming, maybe 5 gigabytes. After we use 5 gigabytes we get warming, and there we can set limit maybe to 10 gigabytes. We can do this also in megabyte and tap to set. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.